Hello and welcome to Discover Middle Tennessee with Team Romines. I'm Andrew Romines with Keller Williams Realty. Today on our frequently asked real estate question series, I want to talk to you about a crucial step in the home buying and selling process, the home appraisal. So what exactly is a home appraisal? Well, think of it as an expert evaluation of your home's market value by a licensed professional. When you buy or sell a home, the appraisal is ordered by the lender to ensure that the property's value justifies the loan amount. During the appraisal, the appraiser considers various factors such as the property size, condition, location, and comparable sales in the area. They assess the overall condition of the home, both inside and out, to determine its fair market value. Now, you might be wondering, why is a home appraisal so important? Well, here are a few key reasons. First and foremost, it protects both the buyer and the lender. The lender wants to make sure they're not lending more money than the property is worth, reducing the risk of financial loss. And for you, the buyer, it ensures you're not overpaying for a property. Secondly, a home appraisal can be a powerful negotiating tool. If the appraisal comes in lower than the agreed upon sales price, it gives the buyer the opportunity to renegotiate with the seller. This can lead to a more equitable deal for all parties involved. Lastly, a successful appraisal is often a green light for the mortgage process. Without a satisfactory appraisal, the lender may not approve the loan, potentially causing delays or even jeopardizing the entire transaction. In conclusion, understanding the importance of a home appraisal is crucial in the real estate game. It's not just a formality. It's a valuable step that ensures everyone involved is making informed and fair decisions. If you have any questions about the appraisal process or anything else related to the real estate world, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, happy house hunting, and remember, for all of your real estate needs, call us. We can help.